Here's how you can go ahead and find your backup codes on Instagram. You can use these codes if you can't access your phone while logging in a new device. If you've used all of your codes, you can tap on Get New Codes to generate more. So go ahead, open your Instagram application on your mobile device, log into your account, then tap on your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the horizontal lines in the top right corner. From here, go ahead and tap on Account Center. Scroll down and tap on Password and Security. You'll get the option of two-factor authentication, that is between change password and saved login. Go ahead and tap on that. Now select your specific profile. Once done, tap on Authentication app or SMS or WhatsApp. Select any of these options and your account name and tap on Backup Codes and follow the instructions to find the backup codes. You can use this if you can't access your phone by logging in on a new device. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.